Welcome to Punta Mita, Mexico, known for its ritzy hotels, golf courses, and pristine beaches. Now this video provides 10 reasons why people love Punta Mita.
I was just a glimmer back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Punta Mita, Mexico. Population around 4,000. Now just for context, we have a map here. We have circled Punta Mita. Punta Mita is 30 minutes from Sayulita and 1 hour from Puerto Vallarta. Now this video provides 10 reasons why people love Punta Mita. People love Punta Mita because of the surfing at Playa Lancha. One of the best things to do in Punta Mita is to escape to the hidden beach of Playa Lancha and go surfing. Everyone who spends time in Nayarit knows of Lancha. It's famous for its easy rolling waves and pristine white sand beach, ideal for kicking back and spending all day in the Mexican sun. Best of all, Lancha is very close by to Punta Mita. From the town, it only takes 5 to 7 minutes of driving to reach the Wild Mex Surf Shop, where you will find the trailhead to Lancha that cuts through the jungle. With your surfboard in hand, hit the trail from the highway that leads you to the beach. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get there on foot. There isn't much shade on the beach, so if you can take a sun umbrella, do so. Surfing at Lancha is free unless you want to book a guided surf lesson for yourself or friends. People love Punta Mita because of the boat tour to the Marieta Islands. One of the most popular things to do in Riviera Nayarit is to take an exciting panga boat tour and snorkeling trip out to the protected, uninhabited islands called Isla Marieta, where you will find endemic birds and a hidden paradise beach called Playa Escondida. To reach the beach, you have to swim there. Since the golden sand beach is set inside an open sky enclave, boats are not allowed to pass. So if you take a tour that includes permits to the beach, make sure to take a dry bag or waterproof action camera since you will get wet. Whale watching, snorkeling, and even scuba diving are popular activities here. Since the islands are protected by the Mexican government, only a handful of tour operators are allowed to bring tours here. Double check with which tour you take, the one including the swim out to the beach or the one without it. People love Punta Mita because of the strolling around Punta Mita, Pueblo, and Marina. While I know that many people come to Punta Mita for the beaches and upscale experiences, many argue that strolling around the local town of Marina is one of the best things to do in Punta Mita if you're only here for a few days. The town is full of local businesses and shops and has a public free beach, Playa Punta Mita, and a bustling marina. The town has French cafes and French-style food, wood-fire pizzas, as well as artisanal homemade ice cream. If you have time, many people recommend stopping by the Centro Community de Mar, or Community Center, which supports the local communities of Punta de Mitas and others in delivering food items and providing educational resources and health campaigns. People love Punta Mita because of the golfing. Punta Mita is one of the Riviera Nayarit's most luxurious destinations and is home to several 5-star hotels and 6 golf courses, 2 of which were designed by legendary golfer Jack Nicklaus. Obviously, golfing is a popular thing to do in Punta Mita. In fact, it's known for it. It doesn't really matter which golf course you choose. You're going to have a great time swinging on the green. Some of the best golf courses in Punta Mita are Golf Clubhouse Punta Mita and the Four Seasons Golf Course and the 2 golf courses at St. Regis Resort. People love Punta Mita because of the whale watching in the Banderas Bay. Punta Mita is set right on the outer edge of the lovely Banderas Bay that faces Puerto Vallarta in the neighboring state of Jalisco. That said, you have the amazing opportunity while in Punta Mita to go whale watching in the bay and in the Pacific Ocean. Each year, nearly 18,000 humpback whales migrate from the cold waters off the west coast of Canada and the US and head south to mate in the warm waters of Banderas Bay. The peak season for whale watching off the coast of Punta Mita is between mid-December and late January, although sometimes the season can last longer into February or even March. People love Punta Mita because of the shopping and dining in downtown Punta Mita. Punta Mita has a classy downtown area where you can window shop in local boutiques and go eat out in upscale restaurants. Head to Avenida Las Rendes to find a dozen adorable shops teeming with indigenous textiles and boho chic beachwear. Make sure to stop by and check out Sea and Salt Beach Store, Mexican Soul, Corazon Sagrado, Niña Catrina, R2 Fashion, and Mita Mita. You can also find more shops in the upscale Plaza Olin shopping mall on this road. In this area, you'll also find a handful of fine dining restaurants. For gourmet Italian, head to Casa Teresa. For Mexican and seafood, hit up Restaurante Tuna Blanca or La Rustica Mita. Hector's Kitchen, Lobster Paradise, and Sea Sushi are also delicious restaurants in Punta Mita. People of Punta Mita because of the beaches. The public Playa de Punta Mita is not the only beach you'll find here. In addition to La Lancha, you also have the public beach at Playa Carreras, El Anclante Beach, and the hidden surf spots of the Cove, El Anclante, Punta Burros, and El Faro. There are other beaches in Punta Mita, but most are privatized by the luxurious resorts like St. Regis and Four Seasons. If you're looking for more beaches, then take a quick drive to nearby communities. The Titabu Beach is an idyllic beach, and then of course there are the surf beaches in neighboring Sayulita. People love Punta Mita because of the hike up Monkey Mountain. If you want to do an outdoor activity in Punta Mita, then you can go for a hike up to the highest mountain in the area for panoramic views of the coast, Monkey Mountain. Mexico's Riviera Nayarit is home to the Sierra Madre mountain range, which can be seen on full display and stretches across several states from Jalisco all the way north to Sonora. Monkey Mountain lies just north of Punta Mita. The total hike takes around 4 hours to complete. Make sure to wear proper closed-toed shoes, not sandals, and pack lots of water and a few energizing snacks. If you aren't comfortable going on your own, you can always book a guided tour with Wild Mex. People love Punta Mita because of the proximity to Sayulita. Sayulita is a designated Pueblo Magico alive with colorful flags, artisanal markets, palm tree-lined beaches, boho chic boutiques, and lots of lively bars, restaurants, and cafes. It also boasts the regional cultural center, which showcases and supports the local indigenous population in Nayarit. People love Punta Mita because of the proximity to San Pancho. Last but not least, if you're vacationing in Punta Mita Peninsula, then you'll want to get to San Pancho. San Pancho is an even more charming Mexican pueblo that it's a must visit, especially if you enjoy a more sustainable, down-to-earth vibe. The community of San Pancho is eco-warriors dedicated to preserving the natural environment. Here you can volunteer at the incredible community center, go horseback riding, help release baby turtles into the ocean, or even watch a fiery sunset on San Pancho Beach. The reasons provided in this video are not all the reasons why people love Punta Mita. If you've got a reason why you love Punta Mita, pop it in the comments section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!